Hi there. In this video, I'm going to download a copy of Brackets from SourceForge. I'll install it. I'll also download a copy of some resource documents, and they're in a zip format, so I'll unpack that zip. And then I will create an HTML file in that unpacked directory via Brackets. I'll then grab some material from one of the resources, a Word document, and add that to the index file. I'm using Windows 10 for that. I've done a similar video previously in Windows 7, but a lot of folks, of course, are using Windows 10 now, and some folks had some issues with this stuff. All right, so I'm going to go to SourceForge. I'm just going to open up Chrome here. I use Chrome for everything. Opera's good as well. And I'm just going to type in Brackets SourceForge. And download. And download. So it's downloaded. If I go to my downloads here, there it is there. I'll show it in the folder. And I'll go ahead and install it. Choose next and install. It just takes a minute to install. So successfully installed. I'll just choose finish. So now Brackets is installed on Windows 10. Now I'm going to quickly go to my LMS, my Learning Management System, and grab the resource documents as well. And that is intro. And under my discussions, we have this resource. For those of you who aren't taking my class, send me a message and I'll give you the resources. There they are there. And I was having an issue with these not being downloading because my computer thought they were insecure. So if you have that same issue, sometimes you may need to right click, save link as, and I'm going to throw these on the desktop. Desktop, right? PC desktop. And save. And it says, can't be downloaded securely. So if I just click on the little up arrow and I choose keep, that will bypass the security that I have. So I'm done with my browser for now. I'm going to unzip this. So if I just right click on it and extract all, you need to be able to extract everything before you can manipulate the contents of that folder. And I'll choose extract. I no longer need the zip file, so I'm just going to delete that. Click on that and press delete on my keyboard. And I'm going to quickly copy the contents of the Word document in here. So you can triple click in the selection area, that'll select an entire document. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll copy. Done with this thing. Don't need it. I'm going to open up Brackets and I'm going to create an index.html file in this directory. So I'm just going to close that. I don't need it anymore. And go to the B section of my start menu. Brackets, there it is there. And I'm going to choose File, New, File, Save, and Again, it's defaulting to this location, but I'll just quickly go there again. Desktop, project resume, I'm going to call this index.html. Choose save, and then I'll type in HTML, just my basic tags, body, and then I can paste my Word document contents in here, and I'll save. So if you click on your little live preview, you'll be able to see this open up in your browser. Once you save it, that is. So there's my document so far. So I have to add a bunch of HTML to fix the structure of it. But that's good enough for this demonstration. Again, I downloaded brackets, downloaded my resource file, unpacked it, unpacked the zip, that is, opened up brackets, created a new document, saved it in this location. It's called index.html. And again, this is with Windows 10. Thanks so much for watching.